divided into 4 different parts. First, doctoral studies, that is related to the PhD programs, master degrees, which is specialized studies for the career advantage, bachelor programs, and further vocational training and the diploma courses. Ireland's education system minors with the standard 3 tiers structure in many countries. Students begin with the primary and the secondary education and progressing the higher educations at the universities or the Institute of Technology. If you look about the education system in UK, it is followed by the system of standardization of pathway and primary education to higher education. Starting with earlier age of education, children progress from the primary and secondary schooling and comprehension of the curriculum in the wide range of subjects. Following educations, students have the opportunities to pursue further education or the vocational training before entering the higher educations at the universities and the college, renowned by the robust curriculums and the range of programs. UK education system is known for the promoting both personal and the growth, academic growth, encouraging critical thinking, independence, and the international perspective. Scholarships in UK and Ireland. The UK offers scholarships such as travelling scholarships funded by the UK government. Additionally, it is universities like Oxford and Cambridge offers merit-based scholarship for the international students, whereas Ireland provides several opportunities such as Government of Ireland, international education scholarships, and the university-specific awards. These scholarships often covers tuition fee and some include monthly allowance to the international students for the living cost. Let us go to the cost consideration, which consists of the tuition cost and the living cost. If we talk about the two countries, UK is more having the high cost as compared to the Ireland. The tuition cost here may varies from £10,000 to £38,000 per year, whereas in Ireland, €9,000 to £25,000 per year. In accommodation, it may go up to £500 to £1,500 monthly, and in Ireland, €400 to €1,200 monthly. If we go for food, £150 to £300 per month and in about Ireland, it is about £200 to €300 per month. Transportation cost may vary from here. Ireland, it is €100 to €150 per month, whereas in the UK, it is £60 to £120 a month, which is very cheaper as compared to Ireland. Let us talk about the work opportunities during and after the studies. UK is a country which allows the students to go for work part-time, which is 20 hours a week and 40 hours a week during the full-time. UK's post-study work visa offers 2 years of opportunities for the graduate to gain experience in the market, whereas Ireland is the thriving tech sectors with global companies like Google, Facebook, and Apple. Students in the STEM field can work part-time while studying and excited jobs for the opportunities after graduation. Cultural immersions. Here, we'll talk about the language and the lifestyle. UK is a country with multicultural melting point with strong accents. It offers a cosmopolitan lifestyle, especially in the large cities like London. Ireland is a culture where it is known for the Irish culture and has a friendly local and the communities. The country embraces a relaxed lifestyle with strong essence of community, especially in the Dublin. Quality of life and safety. Let us look on both the countries. Both the countries boast a quality life and excellent infrastructure, transport system, and vibrant cultural scene. Safety. Both countries have general safe with some variations in by the countries. Research specific areas and familiarize yourself with the local safety guidelines. Social integration and support with opportunities. Both the countries provide existing support services, including academic counseling, career guidance, and mental health support. Multicultural students communities in UK offers various opportunities to connect with fellow international students and explore different cultures, whereas Ireland's welcoming atmosphere and close-knit communities make it easier to build friendship and feel at home. Cultural societies are present in both countries, providing an opportunity to engage in hobbies, exploring local traditions, and connect with other students. Let us compare the climatic comparisons of both the countries. UK experiences a temperature marine climate characterized by the mild temperature and frequent rainfall throughout the years. Summers are generally warm but not excessively hot, while winters are cool, occasionally frost and snow in some areas. The west coast trends to the wetter dew influencing the Atlantic Ocean. On the other hand, Ireland shares a similar oceanic climate with a moderate temperature and high perceptions. Particularly in the western regions, rain is more common and sunlight hours are somewhat limited, leading to the cool, cloudy and breezy conditions year-round. Which country is right for you? First, personal preference. Consider your academic goal, desired lifestyle and budget. Think about whether you prefer a bustling city or more relaxed rural setting and how that aligns with your daily life. Reflect on the cultural and social aspects that are more important to you, such as language, festival and local custom. Program availability. Research specific program offered at universities in both countries. Look into the quality and ranking of these programs as well as the faculty and resource available. Investigate any specializations or unique opportunities that might contribute to your career aspirations. Third, living cost. Compare living expenses and factors in the tuition fees. Consider additional costs like accommodation, grocery, transport, and healthcare. Evaluate financial aid options, scholarships, and other potentials for part-time work to support your educational journey.